to another episode of Themes and Motives TV. During our last episode, we showed you what the space at One Ayala looks like. Of course, back then, wala pa po siyang laman. No? There was another event setting up. But we did say in that episode that on June 22 and 23, it's going to turn into a Wedding Wonderland. So today is that day. So I'd like to invite you to join me as we step inside the space at One Ayala again, and I'm going to show you that Wedding Wonderland I was talking about. But before we go and take a look at what's happening inside, I'd like to invite you to please subscribe to our channel if this is your first time to watch us. And paki-like na rin po, and please click the notification bell so that you will be notified of our new contents in the future. So tara na po, samahan niyo po ako, and let's take a look at the space at One Ayala. Okay, let's start our tour of the space at One Ayala. This is the Philippine Wedding Summit, 19th edition. As you can see, as you come in, meron po tayong security check to make sure that the event is really safe. Check po tayo ng mga dala-dala ng ating mga guests. This is the pre-event lobby. When we showed you this the last time, it was there. And I think there were some people working and creating some displays here at the lobby. Pero basically, wala siya masyadong ayos. So now we have a tableau of banquet setups from the three major sponsors na caterers natin. So ito yan, naka-display siya. Yeah. So from here hanggang dulo po, you will see a sample of their banquet setup. Part of our raffle, yung grand raffle draw natin, massage chairs. So ito yung Zion Queen massage chair, and this is the grand prize for our Books to Win promo. And we are giving away not one but two, syempre his and hers. Ito yung actual model and design that we're going to raffle off tomorrow night. And kasi ano to, the reason why we came up with this idea was I enjoy the benefits of using a Zion chair because last Christmas we received a gift from our daughter. Binigyan niya kami ng massage chair, and I reap the benefits of having one like this at home. Hindi nga lang his and hers yung amin, no? Pero kay couple, ayaw namin na maghihintayan pa sila. So sabay, his and hers massage chairs. See, we also have a medic station here. So we have one here, okay, so medyo maliit lang. And we also have doon po sa service and entrance natin na medyo discreet sila doon. So naka-standby, may medic team tayo for any event. And we're also covered by a comprehensive general liability insurance. So ano yan, must have for any themes and motives event because we want to make sure that if anything happens, covered and protected po yung mga visitors coming to any themes and motives event. Dito naman, meron tayong setup of one of our partners, Segundo Camp and Hike, that if you want something different for your wedding, for your prenup, photo shoot, or a getaway for your despedida de soltera, or for your bachelor's party, you check out Segundo Camp and Hike. And incidentally, we are raffling off 10 prenup photo shoot venue for free, courtesy of Segundo Camp and Hike. So all you have to do, attend. Show up here at the Philippine Wedding Summit. So yung mga soon-to-weds that came earlier throughout the day and until tomorrow, they have a chance to win one of the 10 free prenup photo shoot venue at Segundo Camp and Hike. Yan. So, example, kung type mo mga camping. So, let's go inside the exhibit hall. I'd like to show you yung part 2 ng ating Wedding Wonderland. So, unlike our bridal fair na halo-halo when you go inside, the way we do it here at Themes and Motives, dito sa Philippine Wedding Summit, naka-category zoning tayo. What does that mean? So yung magkakapare-parehong category, we put it in the same area. And ano ang benefit nun for the busy couples? syempre, organize the way you source your exhibitor. So yung nakakalito, hindi yung parang, ay, meron pa parang florist doon sa dulo. So I want to show you a sample of that. Let's go inside. So here we have the invitations, suppliers, the exhibitors. Sabi nila, digital na daw lahat, so hindi na uso. But, you know, the invitation sets the tone for your wedding. When you send it to someone, right away, alam nila, if it's formal, it's casual, it's an outdoor event. So it's really worth investing in an actual invitation, di ba? Oh, how can you beat this, di ba? Yung thrill and joy of opening an invitation meant for you, pinaglaanan ka ng panahon, nag-budget for you, you can never get the same feeling when you look at it digitally. So please do check out our invitation providers. So we move down the aisle. Okay, so in one zone, we also have all the hair and makeup artists. So sama-sama, if you're looking for a hair and makeup artist, hindi ka na maguguluhan. You find them in one area. We also have the entertainment zone. You're looking for a host, musicians. You're looking for lights and sounds provider. We have a zone specially categorized and you can just go there. Hindi ka na paikot-ikot pa. Diba? You know exactly where to go. Hello! Ayan, ito naman po ang booth ng Host Pinas. Okay, the home of quality hosts.
Take care of your program.
Salamat. Yan ang benefit of having a professional host. You have someone taking good care of your program. Diba? Walang guessing game, walang dead air during your wedding reception. And of course, I am with Ramsey Torona, the rockstar host. So do check him out here or visit his social media pages.
Thank you, ma'am.
See
Nice
you.
seeing you.
Yes, Host Pinas. Yan. Okay. And now we also have Sentimental Groove, another all-in-one musician. Yan. So, makakapili kayo, tabi-tabi. We have in the souvenirs category. Of course, we want to say thank you to our guests, give them something to remember our special events. So we prepare souvenirs for them as our way of giving, of saying thank you to them. And you can find them also naka-one zone yan. So di ba para kang nasa grocery, may aisle for every product and category. And meron tayong mga financial services company that also join our events. Kasi di ba, you don't just think about the wedding day itself. Moving forward, you also think about when you're together as a couple, syempre may mga financial concerns kayo. And that's why we also have financial service providers. Now, we're going down the aisle of the venues so that you'll have different choices. You want it outdoor, you want it indoor, aircon versus non-aircon. Is it going to be in the city or outside the city? So this is the place for you. You go down the venue zone. At ito naman, syempre, hindi mawawala ito sa mga weddings. Yung ating styling, flowers and decors. So it's down this aisle. Okay? Yeah, okay. So this is I'd like to focus on this. Si El Hardy Designa, one of our new partners here at Themes and Motives, Philippine Wedding Summit. We are raffling off sa ating Book to Win promo isang 2-night stay for 2 with breakfast. At El Jardín de Zaida. So very beautiful getaway place. You know, if you want to relax, chill a bit before the big day or after your wedding day and you just want to get away from it all, spend time together as a couple, this is the perfect venue for you. Hindi lang siya getaway, you can also have your wedding there. And walang wedding na hindi nakabihis ng bride and groom. So we also have a zone for all the wedding apparel. So for the grooms, mga barong, suits, of course, the brides and the bridesmaids, you have the gowns and footwear. Okay, so it's down this aisle. Hello. Mabuti po. Yan, if you need barong, suits.
Yes.
Yan. The fine gentleman.
Konta na kami.
Iba-iba po mga choices for the wedding star. Of course, di ba? Importante ang shoes. So we have it here for the guys. Usong-uso yung ngayon, going Filipino. You have the barong is back. And JMC is one of the best providers of the barong, yung barongs and Filipiniana. Okay, down this row, we have the planners and event coordinators. Diba, ever wondered why some events are very organized? Yung wala ka nag-iisipin pa, walang out of place. The secret to that is having very good event planners. Okay? Hindi sila masyadong visible and they really don't have any product to show, unlike a florist, yung decor niya or a souvenir, an actual product. But the proof of an efficient wedding planner is a seamless, hassle-free event for you. Okay. Ito po bagong product I'm excited to share with you. It's a gift registry supplier. Pero unlike other gift registries, ito actually parang cash siya. Like say, you put up your wish list. Ay gusto ko ng brand new car. So your guests can pull together yung resources nila to contribute to that wish list. Okay, and there is a registry app for that, yung gift. So here you have Nixis Philippines. And you're wondering, what is a digital solutions company doing in a bridal fair? You're looking for new ideas, no? Something different, haven't been done. You can check out yung mga LED walls nila. Okay, I don't know if this is captured. This was what one couple did to celebrate their wedding anniversary. They actually had a video made and display nila along EDSA. Okay, ito naman sa isang wedding. Okay, so something different, something new for your wedding. Do check them out. And ito, may row naman tayo ng mga jewelry. Okay, so wedding rings, engagement rings, it's also here, Philippine Wedding Summit. Wedding cake. Ito, this is one of the trends in the wedding industry right now. So aside from your usual catering, meron tayong mga food and beverage station. So enhancement or add-on. Sometimes you have it during cocktails or sometimes side by side with your regular catering. So there is the dessert and grazing stations and the coffee and mobile bar. So ito sila down the side. So, meron akong tip para for those of you who are getting married outdoors, especially out of town. Why don't you try to serve like a grazing lane or maybe a kakanin station to your guests, and they'd really appreciate that, especially after coming from a long drive from Manila. So now we're here along just finished yung mga ating coffee bars, ating mga mobile bars. So this is now the zone for the caterers. Of course, there's no celebration without food. Diba? Especially in our culture, yung talagang highlight of any event, dapat merong good food. And we are proud to say that we have the best caterers, not just in the Metro, hanggang NCR Plus. So, one of our newcomers, my country house, Tagaytay, okay, and they also have Rangy Catering. So, importante po. And I would just like to mention, we're the only organizer that requires our exhibitors to submit a business permit. So, lahat po sila legit. Okay, so ito, Zoo Catering, 8th Century Catering. Okay, so if you need caterers, they're all here. Parang a grocery store, diba? Everything that you need. And then after the caterers, we have the hotel zone. Okay, so 4-star, 5-star hotels in the metro, they join the Themes and Motives Bridal Fair. Okay. So sometimes mas marami, depende no, kung ano yung, kung gaano kalaki yung place natin. So everything that you would need for the most important day of your life is here in Wedding Expo Philippines. Okay. And syempre, di ba, you would want to document your event. So, meron kami isang row where you have all of the photo and video providers. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, it's a literally one-stop shop and you find everything na naka-categorize. So, less guesswork for you. Hindi ka na ikot ng ikot, hanap ng supplier. You find the same supplier in one area. Okay, so this is the end of our hotel zone and our photo video zone. We also have real estate. So, syempre, di ba, after the wedding, you would want to invest in a property where you will stay. So we also welcome all real estate providers, suppliers. And this is one of the highlights of our events. We have the Grand Food Tasting Festival. It's truly a festival because these caterers offer a free food tasting session for all those that are looking for caterers. So for Philippine Wedding Summit, we have Josiah's Catering, Rich Gold Weddings, and Reasons Catering. Syempre, you have to pre-register for the event, register online, and then they will call and validate the info that you gave them. But this is really truly a festival kasi, you know, it's not every day that you get to taste yung what the best caterers in town have prepared for you. So if you wanna have a taste, and not just a taste, but an idea of how your banquet setup would be, it's really best to attend a grand food tasting event. And that is our short tour of the Philippine Wedding Summit 2024. I hope nag-enjoy po kayo dito po sa second look natin and sneak peek of the space at One Ayala. And you were able to see and have an idea of what we do as a bridal fair organizer and producer. So, kung first time niyo po in our channel, I'd like to invite you to please subscribe and like our channel and kindly click the bell so that you'll get notifications from us as well. Medyo napagod po ako sa ating short tour. So, babalik po ako sa ating mga massage chairs and I will get a good massage. See you again. God bless you.